In this video, we'll display the text on the screen with Pygame. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for displaying text on the screen with Pygame. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. This use case requires the Pygame library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing Pygame library. Then we are defining elements like FPS, height, width, colors, etc. Now this loop begins the main game loop. This line draws a rectangle on the game display. Let's run the code now. And you have displayed text on the screen with Pygame.